Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today we're going to install Home Reserve storage liners. I was recently talking to Home Reserve about still having a slight smell inside my ottomans from the wood 4 years later. They mentioned they now have storage liners for the ottomans, which provide a cleaner look and smoother surface inside. They also make the liners for the storage inside their newer deep and wide sectional sofas. My sectional is the standard size, which is not one of their popular sizes anymore, so they don't make the fabric liners for my sofa, but they do offer free cardboard liners to customers that request them. Home Reserve sent me 2 fabric liners to try out and 6 cardboard liners. The ottoman liners are very simple to install. They have a weight on either side and they just fold over and it creates a nice smooth finish inside. The liners are well made and fit perfectly to the inside of the ottomans. I moved on to installing the cardboard liners. It took me a minute to figure out how it fits, but it was pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, it was raining the day these were delivered, so there's a little bit of wet on one corner, and they were a little dusty, so I cleaned them and continued installing. They fit nicely inside the storage area, but they are a little less useful because the sides pop out where the sofa connects. These work okay if you have a standard seat, but if you have the newer, deep or wide and deep seats, you'll be able to purchase fabric liners, which I assume they work really well if they're anything like the Ottoman fabric storage liners. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And if you want to see what I think about this sectional sofa 4 years later, check out this video right here.